In this video, I want to show you my favorite Claude code and anti-gravity skills. These are the skills I have used by far the most in the past year, and over all of the hundreds of projects I've built, these one I've used the most, these one have profited me the most, and I think everyone should know about these skills and be able to implement them. Any of the skills I will mention in this video, you will be finding in the first link in the video description as free resources in my school community. So let's jump into the video. The absolute most important skill that everyone should have will be at the end of this video. So starting out, everyone should have a custom skill for their business, meaning a skill that directly describes what is the theme of your business, what is your targeted customer, what are you selling, how are you selling it, what ticket size, the history of your company. This skill should know everything about your company so that you can just ping it, just target it for whatever project you want to do. And it can use those informations about your company, about your offer, about your service, your general vibe and the atmosphere you want to deliver, your font and color scheme, and just everything that has to do with your business, your brand, if you so will, and can use all of this information to build any apps for you or to build any websites, automations, whatever else. You should have a skill that contains all of the information and all of the tools about your business, literally everything, so that you can use this as the foundation for everything else, and you don't have to explain every time how you want your things to be laid out, in what color, and so on. The next skill I think everyone needs, or that profited me the most, is a skill for funnel and website building. Everyone needs a website, most people already have a website, but the thing with funnels is that they can vary. Something might work today and not again or not anymore work tomorrow. It's good to run A/B tests to see which funnel performs best. Maybe, I don't think you do, but maybe you have different avatars that you target. In all of those scenarios, it is important to have different funnels so you can see which one outperforms the other, or if one stops working, you can just quickly set up a new one. Something breaks, you want to add in something new, a new feature, just update it. It's really important to, additionally to the one with all of your brand styles and so on, have a skill that can create all of these funnels, or if you want a new website, can create these websites and these web elements for you in your style with the things you like, for set reasons, to create these funnels. The cool thing about this as well is that you can do a bunch of advanced stuff as you are in a code editor that is working with AI. Obviously, you can do things way faster. So for example, I created a funnel recently that shows that has a custom landing page. So for every new lead that comes in, it greets the new lead by their name and by their business information, and does a targeted, absolutely targeted landing page to them, which is literally insane. It took me about 2 minutes to build. Absolutely insane stuff. So you need a funnel building skill. The next one is for content creation, or more specifically, video editing. With tools like Remotion, or even better, Hyperframes by HeyGen, you are enabled to fully edit your videos. There we go. Add motion graphics, animations, cuts, zooms, any effects to your videos with just a single prompt. And you don't even have to write this single prompt if you have a skill that can create these prompts for you. You just have to create, or you just have to tell your code editor, then here's my uploaded video, here's about what I want, or here, this is what the video is about, or not even that. You just tell them, edit this video in like the way we discussed, and it will use this skill to edit the video. So if you're doing short form content, which I suggest you do, if you're doing long form content, which I suggest you do, this is like worth the gold. Now granted, it may take a few minutes for the agent to run through all of this and until you have your finished video, but there's nothing you can do about that, basically. But with this video editing skill, I'm telling you, you save so much time and you save so much money, and it's ridiculous how good these things are getting, especially if they're prompted correctly or if you have the right skill. And like sort of in that direction, or added onto that, is just a general post creating skill. If you want to create, or a copywriting skill for example, your LinkedIn posts, for any other social media posts that you're doing on any other platforms, for email, if you're writing emails, you're sending cold emails, for that copy, you should just have a prompt for copywriting. Inside of that prompt, you can tell, hey, this is how I want my LinkedIn posts to be done. This is what I want my Google meta descriptions to be done. This is how I want my YouTube video descriptions. This is how I want my email copy you can write a bunch of stuff into these skills. Just tell them everything about your copy on your website or wherever you want to write copy. Tell them all of that, and then whenever you need something, you can just go into Claude Code or Anti-Gravity, whichever you use, and say, hey, I need an email strategy, I need some copy for my email outreach, or I need a description for a YouTube video, I need a LinkedIn post, and it will then write out this post for you. You can train it on recent posts that have worked really well, so you can continue training it so it keeps getting better. You can correct it so it keeps getting better, and you can use their outputs as outlines for what you want to write. Please don't just write everything with AI. That's getting kind of boring now, but it's nice to have a outline, a template that you can go from to spark some ideas, maybe to formulate some things a bit nicer. So I think everyone should have a skill that can do or support them with copywriting. And my last and most important skill, this goes without saying, and it's very straightforward, you need a skill creator skill. You need a skill that directly outlines how you want your skills to be structured, how a skill should be set up to be best used by the platform. It's very easy. There's a bunch of templates out there for just skill creator skills, but you need a skill that can help you create skills so that whenever you think of something new, you want a specific skill for your business or whatever, you just want to create a new skill, that it can use that previous skill of the skill creator to create this new skill. So I think the first and most important skill that you should implement is the skill of the skill creator. So those were my favorite picks. If you have any more that helped you the most that you would like to see in these videos, or that I maybe forgot, write that down in the comments below. In the first link in the video description, you will have all of these skills for free. You can just download them. And if you have any questions about anti-gravity, either ask me directly or watch the other videos I've done on anti-gravity on my channel.